Hi guys, this is Lashin and today we are going to do the unboxing of Redmi mAh Powerbank 2000 mAh, and this is a lockdown content. It is shot in my home, which is limited. So as you can see, it's an 18 watts fast charging lithium polymer battery, and it also has the dual port multi charging capacity, made in India, and the box is also damaged. On the sides, on the either sides, you may see Redmi Powerbank 200 mAh, and on the back side, all the common details, certifications, manufacturer, and what year it was imported. I'll get into it a bit closer. So as you can see, the net quantity is 1 unit, and the fitting is 1. The MRP is of 2000 rupees, which I got it for 1400, and it's black in color. And it is also manufactured by India Private Limited, and the barcode as mentioned before. As you can see, there is a MI security code. This is something to prevent copycats. There are copycat products, and mine was bought through the Xiaomi website. So I also have an MI micro USB braided cable. It's in black and red. It's 1 meter long, up to 2A fast charging and fast transmissions. So on the back side, as usual, you have MI micro USB braided cable, product 1 unit, and it costs around 300 rupees, and the barcode. Yeah, the box is kind of crushed during transportation. I think the delivery people wasn't that careful enough. So without any delay, let's get into the unboxing. Yeah, I forgot about this thing. It's a type C my braided USB cable, which I'm currently using to charge my type C devices. It says Samsung A9 and OnePlus 2, and these are 1 meter long with strong cable. Since I have pets and cats mostly, they have the tendency to bite up the wire and damage them. The cats have been not as successful lately, so every MI devices I have come across has this orange tape to prevent it from tampering, to provide a security to the customer. As soon as you open, you see a white box inside. Let's put this aside, and as we look inside, there is a user manual. I don't understand why they have added a user manual for a simple power bank, but again, still, it's useful. So inside the user manual, you have which port is for what, and where is the power button, and light indication, charging, blinking, and what says when. You also have some discharging informations on the back. You have warning, and at the very end you have the MI security code and how to check whether the product is same. Since I have no fear in that department, since I bought it through the authorized official website, which I hope my product is genuine, and I am assured my product is. So this power bank is very heavy. I don't know exactly how much grams. I don't have the equipment to test the weight. It is 18 watts charging, which currently supported by my device Samsung A9. So it also comes with an lightning logo micro USB mini cable, a standard USB cable. With the power bank, I wish they have given a type C, since micro USB is something a thing of the past. All the latest mobile phones comes with type C standard, and I don't understand why they have given me a micro USB instead. It could have been a better choice of implementations. So now let's get into the power bank. So they have added a protective sleeve to prevent it from minor scratches and all dust. So once I just peel off this sticky part, just slide the packet off of the power bank, and it is well tightly packed. As you can see, it says 20,000 mAh, do not dispose, and all other necessary certifications to pass the product. On the side you can see a rigid design which gives a well kind of grip, and you have your power button. Once you press it, you are able to see the blinking lights, and apart from the blinking lights you will also notice this thing has two ports, which means this can be either charged through micro USB or a type C. And if you have type C to type C, you can also charge your phone, or else you can use a USB-A. So there is the Redmi branding, and it's a plastic body, not a metal body like the previous mAh 10,000 mAh. So, and let's see how this thing looks. I really like the zip tag, and it was fun peeling it off. And the product is in neon red, which I really like, and it's braided. It's micro USB, and the heads are very strong. The cable is 1 meter long, as mentioned before. They both have the same finishing design. There is no other changes to that. Let's put those things apart. So let's get technical, since we have done the unboxing. So this is a 20,000 mAh capacity Redmi power bank. Yes, it is huge. It can charge your phone up to 3 to 4 or even 6 times depending upon your battery capacity. So this also supports 18 watts fast charging, which means if your device supports quick charge 2.0 or 3.0, this device can charge your device faster. So this has dual input ports and dual output ports. Also comes with dual layers circuit protection, two-way fast charging, which I have mentioned before, which means you can connect your type C to C cable if you have one and charge your phone, or you can use a type C cable to charge the power bank instead. So this is not lithium ion, the one we used to see on the phones. This is lithium polymer battery, and more charges on the go. The high capacity 2000 mAh power bank offers more charges on the go and does it way faster. So the charging is also 18 watts as mentioned earlier. So this thing has a classical dual USB port support, which we used to see earlier. There is no change to that, so you can charge the device simultaneously. And in terms of design, it's like a big soap bar, and the side rigid design also does help with the grip and overall feel, but you can't easily put it in your pocket and walk without noticing a huge bulk on your pants. But this thing fits well with your laptop bag or something which is big. Of course it should. It also has a low power mode. When you double tap the power button on the power bank, you can charge your Bluetooth headsets or your MI band or some kind of smartwatch which you may have. So Redmi power bank is equipped with high density lithium polymer battery that are safer and provide better, higher efficiency than conventional lithium ion batteries. So this thing has 12 layer protection, which I presume it's temperature resistance, protection from short circuit, reset mechanism, input over voltage protection, protection from incorrect insertion, protection from output over current, and many more. I hope this video was useful. Please subscribe,